Ever taken a bunch of amazing photos on your iPhone and then thought, how do I get these photos onto my computer? Emailing them is slow, and who even uses cable anymore? Well, I've got awesome news. There's this cool app called Intel Unison, and it lets you transfer photos and videos between your iPhone and Windows PC super easily. No wires needed. Intel Unison uses a local Wi-Fi network, so it's super fast and secure. No more waiting forever for things to upload. So let's check it out. Okay, first things first, we need to get Intel Unison on both your iPhone and Windows PC. On your computer, go to the Microsoft Store. Search for Intel Unison in the search bar. Click on it and hit that install button to install it. It's totally free. Now grab your iPhone and open the App Store. Same thing here. Search for Intel Unison and tap the Get button to download it. Perfect. Now, let's connect them. Open Intel Unison on your computer first. You might see some pop-ups asking for permission. Just allow them so Intel Unison can do its things. You'll see this QR code. Now on your iPhone, open the Intel Unison app and tap Scan QR code. Then point your camera to the QR code. Make sure your PC and iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and are paired via Bluetooth. Now your iPhone should be connected. First of all, let me tell you a little secret. Intel Unison isn't just for transferring files. Using this app, you can even see your phone's notification on your computer and even make and receive phone calls and messages from your laptop. It's like your phone and computer become best buddies. You've got different options here, like transfer files and gallery. For this tutorial, we want photos and videos. So let's click on Gallery. All your iPhone photos and videos are right here on your computer. Just click on all the photos and videos you want to transfer. Now hit Save and choose where you want to save them. Now open File Manager and there you can see the photos and videos you downloaded from your iPhone. Now let's say you want to send some files from your iPhone. Simply tap the Send button on the Intel Unison app on your iPhone. Choose Files, then just select the files you want to transfer. The files will be sent straight to your Windows computer. The file transfer is also possible the other way around, meaning from your computer to your iPhone. Here, simply drag and drop any file from your computer and the file will be sent straight to your iPhone. And that's how you become a file transfer master with Intel Unison. No more frustration, no more cables, just pure wireless freedom. Transfer photos, videos, files, documents and anything you want between your iPhone and Windows PC in a snap. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.